So I think I'm gonna start doing a day in the life, doing a lot of stuff that I don't really get to show people and, let them know. Like on the website, I just added 4 more packs. I am still moving over everything from the old website to the new website to have it a part of that pro membership. On my old website, I had 50 different creative tools, like the assets and the templates in that. I'm slowly moving them all over, but they're all a part of that membership. And then I'm also adding in certification courses and then the mini courses as well. So I spent a lot of time doing all of that. So I thought that, hey, why don't I do a daily vlog, although it's just going to be me sitting here talking to myself and then editing it and then showing you guys, but I guess that's what vlogs are. Anyways, so I have a couple ideas of stuff that I'm going to do, and I'm just waiting for a couple of things to come in the mail. All right, so getting started here with lesson 1 on fairlight. One thing that you'll notice with all of the video clips here is that we can only see the video clips that have audio, and that's a default with fairlight. We can change it so that we can see all clips. So I just filmed the first 2 lessons. It's going to take me quite a while to get through all of them if they're going to be going the pace that this one's currently going, because whoa. Finally done with all of the recording for the fairlight lesson. It's 15 lessons. It's going to take quite a while. Let me see here. 460 gigs of footage for those lessons. Took me almost a week to record everything. And so now I have to edit it. So I'm going to be sitting here, as you can see. Gonna be sitting here editing, and yeah, so it's going to be taking quite a while. But I'm hoping that I can do this over the next couple of days. For the most part, I don't have to edit a lot, just cleaning it up, buttoning up a little bit here and there. The other thing that I wanted to, I completely forgot to show this. I made a post about it the other day, but I'll quickly show you guys. As you can see, so I don't really know how this is gonna go over, so I'm going to be exploring with it, because I could just make something in Photoshop or in Fusion, but I wanted to actually get some real stuff. So I have 16, I also have 35, and then I also got the big boy, which is the 70, right? So I have 70 here as well. So I'm going to make I'm going to go through the process of making a whole bunch of compositing elements with this stuff. I'm also once I have whatever it is that's completed, I'm going to turn it into a whole pack, and that will also be on the website. So part of that whole membership thing. So again, all this stuff could be made on the computer, but I want to try to make some stuff that is a little bit more organic. Is this on? Editing can sometimes be exhausting, I'll say that much. It was one thing to sit through all of this and have the headspace to make sure that I said everything correctly, was as concise as possible, getting all of the information out, making sure I didn't miss anything, and now going through and removing all of my ums and uhs and dead space, like you can see here. Even playing it back at 2x speed, I'm only at a half an hour through this edit. We can see, like right here, I'm not even halfway through everything that was recorded for just lesson 1. Almost 40 hours of footage I have to go through. Is it 40 hours? No, it's not 40 hours. Maybe it's less than that. I think it's less than that. Let's go with 8 hours. I think it's more than 8. It's less than 40, but more than half an hour. We'll go with that. So I'm back at it again. I don't know where I left off, what I was saying or doing, but I am now editing lesson 6. I got through 5 of them so far. Let me show you quickly how I set when I set these up, because some people might be interested. I have all of my recordings here. So my video, right? All my video, it's broken up into like little bits because I record and then I pause, so I can remember my wording or look over my notes, and then I record and pause and record and pause. So anyways, I take all of that, right? And I go into a multicam. So then here's my multicam. And then I take all of my audio. So this is all of my desktop audio. But I take all of my audio for like my mic, and I just normalize it once I'm done with that. And I also come over and I think I put on a compressor, and I don't have one on here. So I'm going to go put one on and just turn on the compressor, leave all the settings default, perfectly fine. And then once I'm done with that, I don't know why that wasn't on. I could have sworn I did that. Anyways, doesn't matter. I then have my main timeline, and all I do is I just take that, the multicam timeline, and I drop it on here. I don't think, I don't have the compressor. Okay. So I have the multicam over here, and then all you have to do is once you're done with that, I just make a duplicate of, because I need both audios to play at the same time, I just duplicate the audio down, right? And then I just go into multicam. So I have multicam, and then I always have just edit mode on, or excuse me, video mode for editing. Yeah, so that's what I do, at least for this stuff. Can you tell I'm procrastinating because I don't want to edit anymore? I've been editing all day. Well, not all day, but I've been editing for quite a few hours so far. And I was like, you know what? I should probably record some of this before I get through it all. But hopefully, I mean, how long is this lesson here? So this lesson is, well, I don't know how much was cut off here, but it's about an hour long. And there's 15 of them, and I'm on only 6. I think like the last 2 are a little shorter, but the others are pretty long. So if you want to learn fairlight, I teach everything in fairlight from start to finish, every single nook and cranny in that program. I teach you everything so that you can get certified in fairlight. And for those who want to be in the industry, you can get certified, and there's a lot of opportunities out there. All right, gonna continue doing this.